To connect the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro into any Android phone, you will have to go into the Play Store and you have to download the Galaxy Wearable application. So now we have to open the case of the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, make sure that you inside both of them inside the case, and make sure that you are not connected with any other Bluetooth devices right now. If you are connected, make sure that you are gonna disconnect. For example, turn off the Bluetooth on this second device. Now, just close it. When the indicator is green, you will have to open it and click and hold this small button next to the USB-C port and wait until this indicator starts blinking in the red, the green and the blue color. Now, it means that we are in the pairing mode, so we have to release. And now let's open this one more time, click start. And now as you can see, the Bluetooth just turns off, the Bluetooth pairing mode. So we have to just repeat this step. And now I believe we'll be able to do this successfully. There we go. Now select the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Wait for this, and as you can see, I'm successfully connected with them. They are here, but the application doesn't allow me to open it. And if it is not working, well, I can recommend you to reboot your phone. Now let's try to open this up one more time, and as you can see, in this case it is working. We have to sign in into the Samsung account. As you can see right now, what I can recommend you to enable this automatic updates and agree to the updates for Galaxy Buds. And we have to also enable, accept the end user license agreement, click I agree, and now accept all of those incoming permissions, just one by one, everything. And now it looks like we are successfully connected. So that's how we can do this step by step.